Amidst all these rising cases, here's a story that should shame the national capital of Delhi, or has shamed the national capital of Delhi. In a horrific incident, a 14-year-old COVID-positive girl was raped inside South Delhi's Radha Swami Satsang Bias COVID Center, the largest COVID care facility in the country. The accused and one of his aides who filmed the gruesome incident have both been arrested. It's our other big story today.
A 14-year-old COVID-positive child was raped. Yes, she was raped inside India's biggest COVID facility. Yes, the same facility which both the Home Minister and the Delhi CM showcased together as a big joint achievement, as India's biggest asset in Delhi's fight against COVID. A 14-year-old COVID-positive girl was raped inside India's biggest COVID center, the Sardar Patel COVID Care Center, that was developed at the Radha Swami Satsang Bias in Chhatarpur, Delhi. This girl was undergoing treatment there. The accused and his friend, both COVID-positive themselves, lodged at the same center, preyed on the girl. The friend recorded the crime on his phone while the accused raped the girl in the washroom of the facility. Both have been arrested. However, both have now been taken to a government hospital as they are still COVID positive.
तो क्रिमिनल मैटर बनता है, जो भी क्रिमिनल प्रोसीडिंग है एक्यूज्ड उनके अगेंस्ट में की जाएगी। और हम लोग की तरफ से तो इस बात के पूरे प्रयास किए गए हैं, इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए कि एक बहुत बड़े एरिया में बना हुआ है, इतनी बड़ी कैपेसिटी का है, तो वहाँ पे सभी की सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी सुनिश्चित रहे।
हाँ, उसकी जांच करवा रहे हैं, पुलिस केस भी रजिस्टर हो गया है, तो जो भी दोषी हैं उन लोगों को सख्त सजा दी जाएगी। जो भी हुआ बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
The incident has exposed dangerous security lapses inside the COVID facility. The sprawling facility works as an isolation center for mild and asymptomatic COVID patients. It has a capacity of 10,000 beds, of which only 250 are currently occupied. That leaves a lot of empty spaces unmanned. When the facility first opened, around 1,000 security personnel were to be deployed. However, with only a small section of the facility under occupation, 1,000 was reduced to 100 ITBP personnel, who now work in shifts here to provide security. Sardar Patel COVID Care Center was inaugurated by Delhi LG Anil Baijal on July the 5th. When the facility was first inaugurated, a credit war between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party broke on social media. Both the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party fighting to take credit for Asia's biggest COVID facility. The question is, we might have a 10,000 bed facility, but do we have the security to man it? How safe are women inside COVID quarantine centers when this is the third incident of rape at a COVID quarantine center and hospital in just 2 weeks? Credit for the facility is taken by all, but who takes responsibility? Bureau Report, India.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.